Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw turbo tails from Sonic. So first we're going to get started with the nose right in the center, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval. We're going to move in towards the top, drawing in another sideways oval, making that smaller for the highlight, and then just coloring in the rest of the nose black. Let's draw in the muzzle now. So we're going to start on both sides, curving this down, up, and over. And then from that point, just curving this back down and in on the side. Let's move underneath now for the chin, and we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this down and back in towards the top. And then now in the center with this open space, we're going to curve this down. And then from that point, we're just going to connect this back together, bringing that in towards the corner. Now let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to start with a bracket on the right-hand side. And then we're just going to draw in this curved line for the smile, bringing this over and across. Let's move up now and draw in the eyes. So to the left-hand side of our nose, let's draw in a nice big oval, curving this around and down, making that wide. And then we're going to replicate that, drawing that at the exact same size on the right-hand side. Let's move over towards the inside corner now, drawing in another oval, curving this around and through towards the bottom. And then right in the center, we're going to draw in another oval for the pupil. Moving in towards the top now, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the pupil black. Now let's draw in the hair in the center coming down. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this over and out towards the right. Starting from that point, curving this back around and down. We're going to move up, starting from that point again, curving this over and then back around and down towards the middle again. And then one more time as we move up, starting from that point, curving this over and then back around and down on the left. Now let's close off the top of the head. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this across. To the right of this now, let's start with our ears. So we're going to curve this up behind our hair in the center, curving this over towards the side. Let's start on the left, curving this over and out. Now from that point, we're going to bring this back around and down towards the side. Let's bring this line from that corner now down towards the muzzle, closing off the side of the face. Now let's draw in the detail inside the ear. So we're going to draw in a curved line on both sides, right in the center. On the top, let's curve this line over and out. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back over and down, connecting that in the corner. Now let's close off the center of the neck. So we're going to draw in a curved line coming in on both sides. And then over on the side again, curving this around and through towards the right. Now let's come down and draw on the torso. So on the left-hand side, curving this in. We will do the same on the right. And then in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. For the center of the body now, let's curve this line around and back up. Let's close off the legs. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then stepping across again, let's draw another diagonal line coming out. Let's draw in a curved line from left to right. Now for the ankle, we're going to arch this line around and in. And then stepping over on the outside, let's replicate that again. Let's move underneath, curving this back around and in. And now let's close off the shoe. So we're going to arch this line down on the bottom. On the top, let's curve this line around and then back down. Now let's close off the bottom of the shoe. So we're going to arch this around and in. And then let's move up again, replicating that. Now over on the side, we're going to curve this up and through. And then let's draw in the arm. So let's come up. We're going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's drop below this, curving this back out again. Let's move across for the thumb, bringing this around and down, leaving a small gap. Let's move across for the first finger, drawing in an oval. Let's move down towards the middle, closing that off. Let's move across again for the pinky. Now for the rest of the palm of the hand, we're going to curve this around and in, ending this at the same height as our line for the thumb. And then we're just going to close off that gap for the wrist now. So we're going to arch this around, connecting that to both of our lines, bringing that up. And now let's move over and draw in the tails. So we're going to start on the right hand side, curving this up. We'll do the same on the left. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this around and in towards the shoe. And now we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come across. Let's do the same on the right. So drawing in another zigzag pattern as we come all the way down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to curve the tail in towards the center on both sides. All right, now let's draw in the cape behind. So coming in behind the neck, we're going to curve this out and down towards the arm. And then moving over towards the inside, we're going to replicate that, curving that back down. Let's follow the cape behind. So we're going to come underneath, bringing this down, and then curving that through towards the bottom. And then from that point, we're just going to curve that back around and in towards the tail. Now from here, we're going to close off the inside line. So we're going to bring this further up, bringing that in towards the hand. And then lastly, we're just going to close off the inside of the cape, curving this in towards our tail. And then in the middle here, just drawing in a small curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw turbo tails from Sonic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.